On this video, I want to teach you how to set up your Facebook monetization all in one. So follow step by step. So this is Petsyinka TV, where I used to teach my people, my loved ones, those people in our family. Remember, we have a unique family, a strong family that collates us together from all the social media network. So if you don't know anything about the family and you have not joined us, please drop it on the comment section. Join us. We have a wonderful, unique family. We started it here on TikTok. So it's a wonderful family. So if you have not joined us, please join us, because it's a wonderful, unique family where we love ourselves. Yes, we do. So now, like, what am I trying to say? I am about to teach you how to do what? How to place your monetization, how to work it out, how to set up your Facebook monetization. Yes, how to set it up on your page only if you are now eligible to do what? To cash out. So watch me as I teach you step by step, because some of you are eligible to cash out. You have seen the bandage, but you don't know how to do it. So right now, I want to teach you how to bring everything in one and get it set up right now. So watch me as I teach you step by step. And if you have not followed me, try and make sure that you click on the plus button and save this video to your favorite, so you can be able to get me anytime. Watch as I teach. Go to your Facebook page. When you come to the page, the main page, what you go do, you say you go click this professional dashboard. When you click the professional dashboard, it go take you to your dashboard. Then you screw up. When you screw up, you click on monetization. When you click on monetization, it go take you to monetization dashboard. When it take you to monetization dashboard, click on content monetization. Go and set it up so that you can be able to get all your monetization in one. So if you come to your content monetization like this, if you never dey eligible, you no go see, you go see something like this. They go tell you if you are interested, like this is for those people that are not eligible, but they are not yet monetized, they are not yet eligible. This now what you go see. But if you are already eligible, this now what you go see. So this now what you go see get started. So what you go do be say you go click the get started. When you click the get started, then go bring out dashboard for you to fix in your payout. So now here you go fix in your payout. Like this one now, you can see that this payout has already been fixed. So if you fix am, now there you go come add. You go come add am to your monetization. When you add am to your monetization, your payout go come show. That is just it. You don't need any other thing again. That is when your payout go show. You go come dey see the money when be say you dey get. So that is all you need. You don't need any other ceremony. That is just all you need. But first, you must have set up your payout. So if you have not set up your payout and you don't know how to set up your payouts, definitely you cannot set up your monetization freely. So what I will tell you is this: if you have not set up your payout, drop it on the comment section. Tell me, so that I will teach you how you can be able to set up your payout, what you need to set up your payout. And if you have not even yet come to monetization, it is wise for you to set up your payout ahead of time. And if you want me to teach you on how to set up your payout ahead of time, let me know, because yes, you can easily set up your payout ahead of time. It's for the system to have your credentials, to have everything about your account, so that they will not find it difficult to relate with you on financial issues. So if you want me to teach you on what to do in order to place your payout on Facebook, let me know. God bless you.